QR codes are a fantastic way to make your business stand out by allowing clients to instantly connect to your website, contact information, and so much more. We offer a custom QR code service that you can add on to any of our business cards. Our QR codes are equipped with redirection technology, which means that you can update the information at any time while keeping the same QR code. To create a new QR code, open the advanced options on your desired product and scroll down to the option that says QR code. Switch the button from No to Yes to begin customizing your very own QR code. You can create a QR code that either directs to a URL link or a contact card that can be downloaded onto someone's phone. For a URL code, give your QR code a nickname, then simply provide us with the URL link to your desired web page. It can be your website, social media profile, etc. Any web page that you want your clients to visit. Be sure to click the Save button so that your information is saved onto your account through the checkout process. If you'd rather create a contact card instead, start by giving the QR code a nickname, and then fill out the form with your information. You do not have to fill in every box, just whatever information you want your client to have when they save your contact to their phone. You can also upload a photo for your business logo or yourself, and even add additional notes that will show up in your contact card. Don't forget to click the Save button so that all of your information is stored. After you go through the checkout process and place your order, we'll send you a digital proof for your approval, showing your business card design with your new QR code. You can change the information on the QR code at any time by logging into your account on our website. At the My Account page, click on the QR Codes tab to see your existing QR codes. Click the Edit button for the one you would like to change. You can change your URL link, the information on your contact card, or even switch your QR code from one type to the other. Click on the Save Changes button to update your QR code. No matter what information you update, the QR code itself will remain exactly the same as when you originally placed your order. There is no need to reprint the cards if you decide to change the information later on.